Okay, what is classification? Classification means nothing but having the output variable which is discrete. So here it is one more time, it is a supervised machine learning. It is a supervised machine learning. What is meant by supervised means label data test. Label means output variable also available. So for this one also we are having the output variable and we are going to apply the supervised machine learning on this. And after applying the supervised machine learning, we are going to categorize, okay, some unknown items into discrete set of categories or classes. Okay, so this is called as supervised machine learning technique where we are going to apply on the classification. So where the target variable is categorical. So here the output variable, we are having an output variable. The output variable of this one is categorical. Okay, the output of this one is categorical. So here the only difference earlier example and earlier one and when compared to regression and classification, what is the difference between the regression and classification? Difference means here it is worked on the labeled data. It is worked on the label data where output is available. Label data means output variable is available. It is called as label data. What is output variable is not available? That is different concept. Once we complete the regression and classification, we'll work on the unsupervised later. Okay. Second one we are having is classification. Also, it is also label data. It is also going to be applied on label data where here also output is available. In this case also output is available. Okay. So both of them are going to work on the label. Since we are applying machine learning on the label data, so this is called as supervised machine learning technique. This is called as supervised ML technique. This is also supervised ML technique. What is meant by supervised ML technique means if you are applying ML on the label data, then it is called as supervised. Right? Now, classification, regression. Both of them are same to same till now. What is the difference then means here the output variable, whatever the output is there, the output is continuous. If your output is continuous, then we are going to apply the regression concept. If your output is discrete, if your output variable is discrete, then we are going to apply the classification. Discrete categories. You are having in the output variable discrete categories. Discrete categories are also called as classes. For example, here the example we have worked a sales example. We have worked with respect to insurance expenses example. Output is expenses, that is number sum. And house price. If you want to predict any house price, that one also comes under this. If you want to predict any car price, user car price or something, all these things comes under continuous variable, right? Now, what is discrete? Discrete means where the examples are whether whether the bank will accept a loan or reject the loan, whether the person is having COVID positive or COVID negative. The COVID example is complete also. Let us use that one. Okay. Now, COVID positive and COVID negative. Okay, whether the person, based on the symptoms, predict whether the person is having COVID positive or COVID negative. The doctor will do that based on the whatever the symptoms you say to the doctor. He's going to predict that one based on input variable.